All right, well, it's been a busy week at my house this week. I had 4 cars delivered. Let me go through and show you. I had the Mustang, which I had replaced my original Mustang, which had the motor issues. And then I got a Lamborghini, a Pantera, and the Mercury Cougar. Let me actually take the covers off. Yeah, so it's been fun. I also got replacement tires, some quick slicks for the Lamborghini, and for the Pantera I went with Paul Gauge. I'm trying to see which tire works best for me on my track, so I'll be trying those. And then these Scalextric boxes are a pain to open. Hang on. Let me mount you up here. So this is the Cougar, 67 Cougar. This is the car I'm going to try to model with the clay and the resin, and I'm going to try to build a replica of my Cougar that I had. This was my very first car, 67 XR7 green with black Landau roof. Don't mind my grandmother in the picture. This is the only picture I had of my car. Let me see if I can get a better image of that picture. But yeah, that was my first car I ever had. So that's gonna be why that's why I bought the Cougar, so I could kind of replicate this car to the best of my abilities. It'll be fun. I'll give it a shot. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to run the Mustang with the stock tires right out of the box, and then we'll see what kind of times I get, and then I'll true the tires and see if my time improves. All right, I'll get back to you when I get the cars all set up.
Go! Fastest lap by lead. Gina's in the lead. Gene did a new fastest lap. The race is now over. Only 5 laps left. Gene did a new fastest lap. Gina's in the lead. Gene did a new fastest lap. Only 2 laps left.
Okay, so now I'm going to true the tires and do another 10 laps and see if I can improve upon that 7.63. Okay, so now tires have been trued, and I'm going to see what kind of lap times I get now.
Go! Fastest lap by lead. Gina's in the lead. Gene did a new fastest lap. Only 2 laps left. Attention, only 1 lap left. Congratulations to Gene for winning the race.
Okay, so with the tire truing, I improved my lap speed. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll take a picture. My time was 7.113.